Check. Welcome back to another video. My name is Motion FX, and today we're gonna break down this W trade I called live in the Discord this morning. Let's get into it. So as you guys can see right here on the screen, this is the trade we caught. It was a 1 to 2 risk to reward. Now I did get out at break even, but I took partial profits at a 1 to 1. So really, this was the trade. But if I didn't get out, if I didn't go break even at a 1 to 1, and I just left my stops above the recent high, we would have got that 1 to 2, but it happens. I'm gonna break down this trade and I'm gonna show you guys why I took this setup. First thing I did was I came into the market at 9 a.m. So we're gonna mark up why I came into the market. Boom. So I came into the market on that blue vertical line. Now we go on a 4-hour time frame and we zoom out. I'm gonna clear all these lines up real quick so you guys can see exactly what I'm gonna show you guys. So we see that on the 4-hour, we're trending to the upside, right? We're creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, right? So at the time, I came into the market at 9 o'clock. I seen that price was now at the top of the trend line, right? Whenever price is at the top of the trend line, it comes back down to touch the bottom of the trend line, right? So we are overall in an uptrend on the 4-hour, but as you guys can see on the 5-minute, if I zoom out and go on the 5-minute time frame, we see that price is now trending back down to test the bottom of the trend line, right? So price is at the top, and now we're creating lower highs, lower lows. So we know that we're in a downtrend. If you draw the trend line, you guys can see that the trend line is trending down, right? So we know we're heading to the downside now. Now, all I did was I marked my resistance zone right here. As you guys can see, we came into the market at 9 a.m. Price created resistance, and then it bounced back down to create a support. Price already created support right here, and price created resistance right here. So we have resistance, we have support. Now, all I wanted to see was a breakout to the downside at 9:30 a.m. Why? Because we are already trending in a downtrend. Even if we're overall in an uptrend on the 4-hour or the higher time frames, we know that price is at the top of the trend line, right? Normally when price is at the top of the trend line, price comes back down to touch the bottom of the trend line. As you guys can see right here, we zoom out, we're on the daily time frame. Price is literally doing that. Price touches the bottom, comes to the top, touches the top, goes back to the bottom, touches the top, goes back to the bottom, right? So we know that we're going to be heading to the downside. Now we already know that price is heading down. We're going to trade with the trend. We're not going to trade against the trend, right? So we found our resistance, we found our support, and we just waited for a breakout at 9:30. As you guys can see, this purple candle was the 9:30 candle. As soon as we got that breakout, I entered on a sell position, put my stop above the recent zone, which was the resistance, and we just targeted a 1 to 2 risk to reward, and we cashed. That easy, that simple. It was a perfect trade, W trade. Now I didn't catch the full 1 to 2 because one of my rules is I go break even after we hit that TP1. So I went break even as soon as price broke through this zone, and then I took half profit, right? So let's say I had 6 lots in, I would take 3 lots and leave the other 3 running. That's exactly what I did. So in this case, I took out $200 and I left the rest running. Price came back, stopped us out break even, so we didn't lose any money, but we did make that $200. Now, if we stayed in the trade and we had our stop up here, we didn't go break even, price would have came back in drawdown and then went to hit out full TP. But it happens. You just gotta stick to your rules, stay disciplined, stay consistent, and you will make money every time. That's pretty much it. If you guys want to trade with me live every single day, click the link in the description below. I trade live on Discord every single day, completely free, no cost. You guys can just come trade with me, copy, follow me, whatever you want to do, and make some money with me, man. Follow me on Instagram at MotionFX, follow me on TikTok at MotionFX, and start your trading journey.